Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with a quick Dollar Tree haul and a very quick Target Bullseyes haul. So please stay tuned for all the new goodies and an update. So yes, y'all, I've come across recently, I believe his screen name online is Flav City. I think he also has a YouTube channel. I do recommend you follow him. He's a great health guru, lets you know how to read labels, ingredient labels, which are conducive to your health. And he recently even reviewed a number of products that are helpful, especially when it comes to health, and particularly women in particular. I think it was for deodorant, cosmetics. Wherever you see a paraben, that is not suggested for human consumption, and it's an ingredient for some reason. I won't get into the whole specifics of it, but I will link his video down below. But he made it a point to stay away from products that have the ingredient of talc. So I just came across this new deodorant at the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, formulated without aluminum. This is by Suave. It has, I believe, rosemary and mint. Scented. It says 100% natural, and I looked back in the ingredient section, and it does not have talc. So I will let you guys know if this is really worth the $1.25, but for now I'm going to give it a try. I picked up 2 from the Dollar Tree. Also, I love their Glad Cling and Seal. Yes, it does come in handy when you want to put, like, say, watermelons away without having to, like, chop up a whole melon and you want to keep leftovers. But I will say it also comes in handy when you're trying to do a DIY when it comes to Halloween costumes. So I'm going to give this a try, and I was running low, so I picked up 2 boxes today. 45 square feet long, and yeah, for $1.25 you really can't go wrong. I don't think you can find this particular brand for less than that in this area, so if you see it, snag it. Also picked up another heavy duty tape. Again, this is also for a DIY, which I will explain in another video. Also, I'm still not done with a particular project, so what I needed, I was looking for, yes, Dollar Tree's LED lights, but in white. I didn't come across them white, so I picked up another one in orange, but they're really cute. So just in case I don't find them in white, you already know why they're orange. And yes, they're really cute, very festive, orangey and purple. I believe they come in. And also it's battery operated, so you will need 2 AA batteries for this bad boy. But yes, there is that. Also came across this tool. Now I may have to dye it, I'm not 100% sure, but I was looking for a blue tool, and also for a DIY, also for a Halloween costume that I'm contemplating on doing. So we'll see if I have to dye it or if I'll get lucky and find one in blue. But for now, I picked one of it up in white, $1.25. And dun, 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 I also picked up Oots popcorn butter, movie style butter, which is perfect because, drum roll please, yes, here's my cauldron. Yes, y'all, remember when I showed you guys that it was a styrofoam blank canvas of a pumpkin and it had no color? Which, by the way, I will say, if at your local branch you have seen them, now they're bringing them all fully colored, fully orangey, and the green stem, so it's already prepared in case you just want to, like, fill up your porch or whatever decorations you're doing in the house. They're already made. But the ones that weren't painted, I cut in half and turned it into a nice cauldron, and have used this fish bowl or flower bowl so I can put my popcorn in. So if you see it in the background as I do a review, you already know. Also, my very nice, beautiful, traditional candle that would have looked lovely as a centerpiece for weddings. You can also make them look spooky. I added some, like, glue sticks to give it that candle wax dripping, added a couple of colors for definition, and we have a spooky candle, and it works really nice. I'm very proud of that. Also, moving forward, I have, like, my Dollar Tree Bullseye pumpkins, which I'm going to turn into a garland. So we're still working on projects. I also picked up one of these candle lighters too, which I need to use in case of anything, if I actually do use any candles. Also, want to give you guys an update. Remember when I told you guys I had picked up Jot's permanent marker in a pack of 3s? I believe it's alcohol based. It doesn't necessarily specify in the ingredients section on the back, but I did pick up 3. I used 2, and I've done this little concoction, which I will link the video down below. Again, all of this is parent supervision if you are doing this with kids, if you want to dye a synthetic wig without necessarily getting fabric dye, which can run a little expensive. So I'm going to try this method and let you guys know this. So I used two markers, and I doused it a little bit with alcohol. It needs to be at least 70% and leave overnight. So I will let you guys know, because I have a brown wig that was on its way out, and I'm going to try if I can dye it a nice jet black. So we'll see for a Halloween costume as well. So, but I bought this bottle from Dollar Tree, and I marked it with the letterings from I believe they're stencil letters from, again, Dollar Tree. All $1.25, guys. You don't have to splurge crazy. Now, just to give you guys an update, look. My DIYs are coming along really pretty. This tree is from the Target's Bullseye. The lights are from the Dollar Tree. I turned off the lights so you can see how pretty they are. The broomstick as well, so we are ready for Hocus Pocus. Can't wait to see it on Disney Plus. It was a plain jet black with glittery bottom half, but I added these purple colors, and I painted the actual stick with acrylic paints, orange and purple, perfect for Halloween. I have Bargain Bethany's inspired project here, which I can link down below as well. And I've gilded it up with a couple of spray paints and, acrylic paints. I have my lantern from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put my Hocus Pocus book up here too as well, so you guys can see my candelabra, which I'm very cute and in awe of. And then my black rose with some extras, because I'm going to see if I can put them in here. That's why I'm on the search for a white light. But if not, I'll use the orange, but I'm going to put it in here, and that'll just be another embellishment. I also picked up another little, extra from Dollar Tree, which looks very like Sleepy Hollow, spooky kind of pick and whatnot that you can put as a floral arrangement, but you can put it in the background and put it in other embellishments like this. You already know about my Spanish moss, which is going to give it that creepy flair. And can't forget my projector, my witchy projector that is ready to go for Hocus Pocus. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'm really feeling this Halloweeny kind of vibes and stuff. And so let me know, guys, what did you like? What stuck out to you? Are you ready for this Halloween season? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like the videos, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, my next haul, my next review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl.